friends, Miss Nugent with your Fun Friday Sensory Bin. It is the end of zoo week, so we are going to be making a zoo sensory bin. I have some rocks, some animals, and then to build my zoo, I have blocks and cubes. You can also use Legos or magnet tiles or Lincoln logs. So I'm just gonna start building my zoo now and putting in the animals wherever I feel like it. You can keep certain animals together, however you want to build your zoo. All right, hope you have fun.